Welcome to Budgeting Basics, how to create a budget from scratch. In this informative guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of creating a budget that suits your needs and helps you achieve your financial goals. Budgeting plays a crucial role in managing your finances effectively.
It involves tracking your income
And expenses, understanding where your money is going, and making conscious decisions about how to allocate your resources. By creating a budget, you will gain control over your finances and make informed choices about saving, spending, and investing. So let's get started with creating your budget from scratch. Step 1. Begin by calculating your total monthly income. This includes your salary, any additional sources of income, or any other earnings you may have. Make sure to consider the net amount after taxes and deductions. Step 2. Next, list all your fixed expenses. These are the recurring monthly expenses that remain relatively constant, such as rent or mortgage payments, utility bills, insurance premiums, and loan repayments. Be sure to include any other regular fixed expenses specific to your situation. Step 3. Identify your variable expenses. These are the flexible expenses that may change from month to month, such as groceries, transportation costs, entertainment, and dining out. Review your recent bank statements and bills to determine an accurate average amount for each category. Step 4. Don't forget about periodic
or annual expenses,
These include expenses like car maintenance
annual subscriptions.
or holiday gifts. Divide these costs by 12 to allocate
A portion of these
expenses to each month. Step 5. Now it's time to subtract your total expenses from your total income. This will give you your monthly surplus or deficit. If you have a surplus, consider allocating it towards savings or debt repayment. If you have a deficit, you may need to make adjustments by reducing expenses or increasing income. Step 6. Set financial goals.
determine what you want to
Achieve with your money. It could be saving for a down payment, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. Allocate a portion of your surplus towards these goals, ensuring they are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart.
Step 7. Track and review your budget regularly. Keep a record of your expenses.
And update your budget accordingly. Use mobile apps or budgeting software to simplify this process. Periodically assess your progress towards your financial goals.
And make adjustments as necessary.
Remember that creating a budget is not a one-time task. It requires ongoing commitment and discipline, but the benefits are well worth it. Improves financial security, reduce stress, and the ability to enjoy your hard-earned.
Money with confidence.
Congratulations, you have learned the budgeting basics and are well on your way to financial success. Start today by creating your budget from scratch and take control of your financial future.